There are several third-party body firms who turn GMC Savanas into motorhomes, even though GMC does not formally manufacture the Savana motorhome as a factory model. Here are some speculations and forecasts about the 2025 GMC Savana motorhome, which is currently available as a model year. The GMC Savana 2500 and 3500 chassis will probably still be the foundation for adaptations by body firms. While some could prefer extended versions for greater inside room, others might concentrate on cars with regular wheelbases. According to rumors, the 2025 GMC Savana is probably going to keep the same engine options as the previous model year. About 276 horsepower and 298 pounds-ft of torque are produced by the 4.3 liters V6 and 464 horsepower and 464 pounds-ft of torque by the 6.6L V8. It's probable that the 8-speed automatic transmission will continue to be used. Conversion firms will probably continue to provide a large selection of interior layouts, amenities, and customization possibilities because the motorhome industry is highly dependent on personal tastes. Despite the Savana's longevity, conversion businesses will probably incorporate contemporary amenities such as an upgraded infotainment system, improved connection, and more safety features based on the Savana basic model. More sophisticated off-grid devices and solar panels could be a part of certain conversions. There have been rumors that GMC may eventually think about using an electric platform for its commercial vehicles. Although it is quite unlikely for the 2025 model year, it is feasible that an electric motorhome idea based on the GMC Savana may be developed if this occurs. GMC has not made an official statement on the 2025 Savana motorhome, despite the fact that some independent drawings and concepts may have appeared. The 2025 GMC Savana motorhome rumors mostly center on the inventions and developments of outside body businesses. With a focus on interior personalization, practicality, and incorporation of contemporary technology, the standard GMC Savana is probably going to continue to be a popular option for adaptations. Although there is a chance that a new vehicle may be released in the future, a 2025 model year is not yet confirmed. Always review the features and specs of the body shop providing the GMC Savana motorhome conversion for precise information.